Good afternoon, guys. So today we're at Vintage Ford and Chevrolet Parts of Arizona in the beautiful city of Phoenix, Arizona. So I just wanted to share this with you. As you guys know, or may not know, I actually travel for work sometimes and I get to see some of this cool stuff. So this store here has everything you need for Fords, Chevrolets, and if they don't have it on the shelf, these guys can get it for you. I won't be narrating throughout the video, but I just want you guys to see all the amazing and cool stuff these guys have here for any of your hot rods, any of your muscle cars, anything you're building, Ford, Chevrolet, these guys will get them for you. Dakota Digital. Fan shrouds. Speaker pods.
Have the wiring coming out of the back, even of the other ones. It won't have any like conduit or fancy covering.
Steering wheels. When was the last time you guys saw one of these steering wheels?
Yeah.
OE style that you could actually buy and put on. Door hinges. Original Chevrolet stuff.
Oh, maybe they were looking at these since this guy now. So this guy.
These guys have a bunch of stuff. Look at this. If you're building the old Chevrolets, these are beautiful. Sun visor hinges, door latches, rocker panels, paintless wiring. This is truly a candy store for us grown men that love doing this. Chevy Impala stuff, Corvettes, trucks. I mean, everywhere you see some amazing cool stuff that you really can't find nowhere.
Almost looks like a carb clip. You ever seen like that?
You need extra power? They've got Power Master. They got secret radios if you want to keep your dashboards original and you don't want to cut them. If you need extra cooling, they've got that too.
I was hoping I could find more photos of it. You go one more spot there.
Early one, a 65.6 Mustang.
So now we're moving on to the Ford section. Again, if it's stock or if it's aftermarket, they've got all the chrome stuff that you guys need here. Wow, guys, this is something you don't even find anymore. Look at this. That's for a really old Ford. Wow. Generators. Old water pumps. This is truly the place you guys want to be at. I'm definitely going to pick up some stuff here. A place like this can really get a guy in trouble. Definitely going to buy something here. Again, they've got sheet metal. Well, these are pretty cool. Little ice chest. They got weather stripping. Rear deck speakers for 6x9s on the old Ford Mustangs. Check all this out. This is stuff you don't even find anymore.
Yeah. Yep, nylon or
wow.
ABS or something.
I really wish a place like this existed when I was doing all my Mustang restorations.
Let me see if we got some of those clips coming.
Look at that.
Maybe it could.
Window cranks.
Just anything to hold that.
This is it's just amazing, guys. I'm like a loss of words with all this stuff here. Look at that. You have your 64.5, 65s that had the dummy lights, and then you have your 66 that had the gauges. And of course, you can also buy other years up to 67, 68, and newer. And the guys in the front are saying if they don't have it here, they can probably order it for you. And these signs are all over the place that basically say the same thing. Definitely picking some of this stuff up. I am definitely getting in trouble here. I am going to be spending a paycheck or so here today. Pulleys. Wow, it's just too much to show you guys. If you guys are able to come down here, just make a trip. I'm going to post their information here right now. Let's see if I can get it. There you go. Now we're gonna head over to the back where they've got a barn with old cars that you can actually buy from them.
No, I just have to get out one of my stocking orders and they take a little while. Okay, well, I'll have to check with you. Yeah. Okay.
Look at all this other stuff here. If you want to go LED like everyone else is doing, you can actually do that too. Check out that cool 67, 68. Alright, let's take this outside. Here we go, guys. We're going to go outside. Now, I'm not sure if I'm able to film back here, so I may have to cut the video a little bit shorter. Don't want to get in trouble. Don't want to get kicked out. These guys are being nice to us already. Again, these guys have parts. They have used parts, original parts, stuff that you will probably never ever find. Stuff that people are not duplicating. Stuff that is not being stamped. No new stampings. This will probably be the only place that you can find it. Those license plates are pretty cool. You got bumpers, you got grills, you got fenders. Again, everything Ford and Chevrolet. I'm sure they can probably get you stuff for Chryslers as well. Look at this. If there's anything you see on my video that you want, again, you can call these guys. These guys can find it for you. Look at this, original Mustang fenders. Hardly any rust. That's one of the benefits of being here in Arizona. Their phone number here is 602-275-7990. These guys are amazing, amazing customer service. And they've got all kinds of stuff, guys. Look at that original Chevrolet Impala stuff. Stuff that you won't find original anymore. Sometimes you get the reproductions. But if you want true original, these guys have them. I just thought about something. If you have an old Model T, an old Model A, or anything like that, look at that. They've got those wheels here too. They've got wheels for Mustangs. They've got wheels for trucks. This is just amazing. Again, this is, to me, I'm a gearhead. That's why I named my channel Gearhead Automotive. But I am a gearhead at heart. I've been working on cars since I was about 10 years old, just tinkering around with them. But man, look at this stuff. This type of stuff makes me just very excited. Look at that, axles, differentials, transmissions. Bunch of original stuff here. Look at this. Wow, original Chilton's books from 1964, 1960. Again, if there's anything you guys see in this video that you guys want, just call these guys up and I'm sure they'll mail it out to you. Wow, look at this old Pontiac hubcap. That's pretty awesome. Holy smokes, look at this. Wow. Look at this. Were you looking for sheet metal for your truck? Window cranks. Intake manifold looks like. Look at this. Wow, build your own. Build your own 1932 Ford. Wow, I am just, guys, I am just wowed at all the stuff that they've got here. This is amazing. Look at all this. If you've got the time and if you got the know-how, look at this. You can pick up this 1932 Ford Roadster body for $8,500 bucks. Just build your own frame. Oh, it's Sinclair pumps. I'm sure they'll sell these to you if you want to have them in your shop somewhere, or conversation piece for your office. Original glass. This is definitely something you're not going to find at Safelite. Wow, look at this. Ford Bronco body. Again, there's a lot of stuff here that you'll see that you really can't find nowhere else. Look at this. Look at the workmanship. I don't know what's underneath this cover, but it looks really old and really interesting. Okay guys, I'm going to sign off here. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this because I want to touch it, smell it, sniff it, scratch it. So here again, here is their information. And I actually just dropped it inside the cooler. But it is called Vintage Parts of Arizona. They've been around since 1974. And again, I'm going to close out the video by leaving their information here. Great guys. We've been here for a minute. I asked them for permission to film. They said of course. And yeah, here you are. Please like and subscribe my videos if you like to see stuff like this, or if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Thank you so much. I am signing off.